Hello ladies, I am back. Now, I know there's a lot going on. I've been gone for a while and I apologize. I had done a couple small videos when I thought I was ready to get back into the swing of things and get back at it full time, and things just didn't work out that way. However, now I am free to get back to my normal recording schedule and, back to work. Which I am super stoked about. I missed you guys so much, and honestly, this is my thing that's just for me. Do you know what I mean? Like, we all have that thing that, like, we don't do for our kids or our jobs or our families. It's just us, and this is my thing. Well, I guess I do it to help other people too, but honestly, I just love it. So we're gonna start back easy. I haven't done my nails yet. I haven't done my nails in 3 months. So this week I am going to be doing that. We're going to be overhauling this hand. We're going to do a little watch me work, and I'm going to talk about some things. But so today we're going to be doing my Secret Nail Affair haul. I got some acrylics from them to try out because I had never tried them before. I got these months ago and I refused to use them until I could do a haul video. So they have just been here collecting dust, and I am so excited. I also got these glitters, and I'm going to show you what's so cool about these. They're just pink and blue hearts, and you guys know how much I love pink and blue, but there's something extra special about these, so we will discuss that in a little while. These two are glow in the dark. They are the only solid acrylics I got from them because Secret Nail Affair is kind of known for their glitters. So I got a couple of those, and I got these because they were glow in the dark, and I wanted to try them out. And we will talk about what I'm going to be doing coming up to kind of jump back into the swing of things. I got a lot planned. I got a lot of ideas. I'm super excited. Yay! So without further ado, let's get to it. First, let's start with Cassandra, okay? She's a glow in the dark. As I do this, I will explain what I have planned. Like I said, this week, first I'm just gonna swatch them all, and then I will show you the glow in the dark at the end, okay? Okay. As I said, for this week, I am going to be doing my nails, a little watch me work. I have a couple videos coming up. That is very bright. It darkens a lot once it's wet. I have a couple videos coming up so I'm noticing that these are a little dry. Just a little, nothing horrific. They're neon, so, be prepared to work with that. This one is neon, so. I will be doing the watch me work. I have a giveaway planned every week for January and February because I am so excited. I have a couple of, little travel drills I'm gonna be giving away. A little brush, some acrylics. I got a few things planned. So I also ordered a new drill for myself. It's the Sparkle Pro. So I will be reviewing that. I have one of the little battery cordless drills, the little small ones from Amazon. They're like 30 bucks. So I have one of those coming to review. So we'll see how that works out. I'll be giving one of those away if they're any good. I will be doing like I said, a review of the Sparkle Pro. I will be giving away a Melody Susie USB drill. I will be giving away a brush, some acrylics, a gel polish set, just a bunch of stuff, things. I'm excited. We're going to be doing one a week, every week through January, starting next week, obviously, and then through February, because February is my birthday, and I always like to do a giveaway around my birthday. So we're just going to do it for the whole month because I have been gone for so long, and I am so excited to be back. Okay, so I'm not having as many issues with this as I normally do with neons. Like the color's not marbling too badly. Even on the opposite side, which usually you see those big like powder splotches, it's not really giving me a ton of trouble. So that's awesome. It's a little dry. Just, work with it wet. But Secret Nail Affair is targeted more towards professionals, so I would expect it to be a little drier, a little faster setting. I do absolutely love this pink though. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous, and it didn't marble hardly at all. I'm actually kind of surprised. I was expecting that. All right, so we're gonna put this up here for Miss Cassandra. Next, we have Monica. Now, this one looks like it has like a yellowish kind of tint to it, which I expect with glow in the dark. Let's get up here a little All right. Glow in the dark always seems to have that like green cast to it when it's white or, you know, super light colors. So let's check it out. We are having a hellacious windstorm here, so if my house blows down, yeah, you can kind of see that greenish, yellowish tint like, you know, a lot of glow in the dark paints have. This one is a little drier than the other one and kind of not too chalky. It's all right. I can deal with that, but it's not behaving like white acrylic, which is awesome. I fully expected it to. But it's kind of got a sheer cast to it. Like it's not 100% opaque. Little yellow cast to it. Almost like pina colada kind of vibe, you know? That little bit of pineapple. Okay, so not bad. Not bad at all. All right, let's move Monica out of the way. I also have a new series that I had planned. You guys know hand painting is not my thing. Okay, this next one is called Dragon Fruit. Ooh, I love it. You know, I love those Mylar glitters. Well, I tried some superhero hand painting the other night, and I found a really easy way to do this so that my normal messiness didn't show up. So I'm gonna do a series on the Marvel superheroes and how I was able to hand paint some stuff without it being a total mess. A couple of easy tricks I picked up. It's very glitter dense as well. A lot of glitter. Oh, here, real quick, here is a picture of the Marvel nails. I'm actually really proud of how those turned out. You guys know hand painting ain't my thing, not even a little. All right, so the glitter's turning out to be pretty dry, kind of, which, you know, me and glitter, so that could just be me. I'm not great with glitter. I love the little orange hints in there, but I'm digging it. I like the color. I was so out of practice, but I have been doing nails here and there for people who have asked me to. So I'm not 100% out of practice, but you know, I'm a little rusty, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. Next up, we have Rebellious. And it's like a yellow and blue kind of clear Mylar. It's showing a lot of yellow on camera, but honestly, it doesn't really look that yellow up close. See what I mean? And I did notice that if you put this over top of black, the yellow almost completely disappears. So anywho, you ladies let me know in the comments. Let me know how you've been doing, how everyone has been holding up over the holidays. I'm so sorry I missed out on Christmas and Thanksgiving and everything. Like I said, I had some personal stuff going on, which I thought I had rectified, which now is all taken care of, and I am back full time doing my thing. It's not bad. And oh, these glitters are so gorgeous. Wow. Yellow, blue, yellow, blue. Sorry. I am giddy with excitement. I'm excited about the giveaways. Also, I had some issues with my drill over my little hiatus, and I broke it down, and I figured out that it's super easy to kind of break down my scarlet. If you do it correctly. And I haven't seen a lot of videos kind of showing how to do that. And I know a lot of people have had issues with making their own acrylics and using chalk and it killing their drills. And I'm going to show you how to fix that. This is really pretty. Ooh, look at that. It's like glowing. Wow. Now that's without top coat. Can you imagine what that would look like with top coat on it? Love it. Okay. Anyway, so I'm going to show you how to break down and take apart the handpiece here. My little best friend here. How to take it apart, put it back together, clean it out, and save your drill. So let's see, what do we have? Let's do Phenomenon. What? They're so pretty. They seem like I haven't seen one of the Secret Nail Affair ones yet that didn't work. You know what I mean? Like, they have great taste, whoever's making these. And I don't know much about the company. Like I said, this was my first order with them. I figured I'd give them a try. I probably should have gotten some solid colors, but the glitters and the glow-in-the-darks are just so gorgeous. Nope. And I couldn't really buy a ton because I wasn't really recording or doing nails all that much. I couldn't really justify a big haul. This one's a little dry. It's not too bad. But there is like I said, it is very glitter dense, which would explain all of the, which would explain why it's a little dry. It's giving Barbie shoes, Looks like fire. It's got some purple tones, some pink. Like in the jar, just looks pink and orange. Here I got purple, pink, orange, blue. So pretty. And that's Phenomenon. Next up, we have Pansy, and I saved this one for last because it is like a periwinkle color and nothing crazy until you put it on. So let's check that out. I do love the periwinkle, but then once you lay it down, once it's wet, it's like, oh, it's beautiful. I really love periwinkle anyway. Like, it's such just a pretty feminine without being like aggressively feminine. And this one has some green, some gold, some yellow, some blue, some violets, some purples, some indigos. It's just the perfect periwinkle, isn't it? I'm in love, in love, in love, in love. And that one is called Pansy. Yeah, see, it's a sleeper. So I'm gonna show you a couple things. So these were the two glow-in-the-darks, Cassandra and Monica, right? So I'm gonna turn off my lights and I'm gonna be right back. But I also am gonna show you those glitters I wanted to show you. So let me charge these real quick and I'll be right back. All right, so this is Cassandra. It's not super even, but that could also be my application, but it is pretty bright. And this is Monica, the white one, which, wow. I nuked these for 30 seconds. Real quick though, I want to show you the hearts. You probably guessed why I was saving these for last, but they also glow in the dark. Let me show you with my little handy dandy flashlight real quick. And you guys know how I get a little goofy over glow in the dark. So let's get rid of my light there. They're glowing like radioactive. Right? How exciting is that? So the glitters themselves glow in the dark. And I love it. I love it so much. Look at them. They're so glowy. Anywho, as always, it's been such a pleasure to be back and to be recording, and I miss you guys so much, and I'm so excited about what I have planned for the next couple weeks. I cannot thank you guys enough for sticking by me during my hiatus. I really appreciate it. I love you guys, and as always, thanks for watching.